Hello all, welcome to our channel. Today we'll discuss about the data types. And this video is presented by Snehita, Kavya, Divya under the guidance of Dr. M. Prasad, Associate Professor, Department of CSE in Sri Vishnu Engineering College for Women. Now let's go to the video. Data types in Python. Here data types in Python are classified into 5 types. First one, numeric data type, and second one, dictionary data type, third one, boolean data type, fourth one, set data type, and fifth one, sequence type. In numeric data type we have 3 types: integer, float, complex. And in sequence type we have strings, list, and tuple. Now first we'll discuss about the numeric data type. The numeric data type in Python represents the data that has a numeric value. A numeric value can be an integer, a positive or a negative number without decimal point. Next, second one, floating number, a positive or a negative number with decimal point. Third one, a complex number. It represents as a real part and imaginary part. Note, type function is used to determine the type of data type. Now let's have a look on an example program. Let us take a, b, c equal to 5, 3.546, 5 plus 4j. Then print the type of a and type of b and type of c. Let us see the output of the type of a, b, c. Now type of a is int and type of b is float and type of c is complex. Now let's discuss about dictionary data type. Dictionary is an unordered set of a key value pair of items. It is like an associative array or a hash table where each key stores a specific value. Key can hold any primitive data type, whereas value is an arbitrary Python object. The items in the dictionary are separated with the comma and enclosed in the curly braces. Let us see an example. D equal to 1 Jimmy, 2 Alex, 3 John, 4 Mike. Now print the D. Printing dictionary using print of D. Print first name is D of 1. This is accessing value using keys. Next, to print the second name, D of 4. Now print only keys, we are using D dot keys. To print only values, we are using D dot values. Now let us see the output. Here first name is Jimmy. Next, second name is Mike. Total dictionary is here printed. 1 Jimmy, 2 Alex, 3 John, 4 Mike. And dict dot keys is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Dict dot values are Jimmy, Alex, John, Mike.
Okay, now let's get into the boolean type. Boolean type provides 2 built-in values, true and false. These values are used to determine the given statement, true or false. It denotes by the class bool. True can be represented by any non-zero value or capital T, whereas false can be represented by the 0 or capital F. Consider the following example. Here in first line we are printing the type of true, and second line we are printing the type of false, and third line print of false. Here we get an error, that is name error. Name false is not defined. From this we can understand that the first letter must be a capital letter and the remaining are small letters, and type of true prints class bool and type of false prints class bool. Okay, coming to the set type, Python set is the unordered collection of the data type. It is iterable, mutable, that is, can modify after creation and has unique elements. In set, the order of elements is undefined. It may return the changed sequence of the element. The set is created by using a built-in function set, or a sequence of elements is passed in the curly braces and separated by the comma. It can contain various types of values. Consider the following example to understand it better way. Here in first line we are creating an empty set by using set function. Set1 is equal to set, and in second line we are creating a set name set2 and assigning some elements into it. If we observe, the data types of set2 elements are not same, so the data types must be different in set. And in third line we are printing set2, and coming to the fourth line we add element 10 to the set2 by using the add method, and then after we print set2. And in line 6 we observe, we remove the element 2 from the set2 by using remove method and print set2. If we observe the output, here we print set2. If you observe the elements, the position of elements are not same as we given, so the elements in the set is unordered. And if while we add 10, it will add element 10 at the last of the set2, and we remove 2 from the set2. It prints the output by removing the 2 from set2.
Now we'll discuss about the sequence type. In sequence type, first one, string data type. The string can be defined as a sequence of characters represented in the quotation marks. In Python, we can use single, double or triple quotes to define a string. String handling in Python is a straightforward task, since Python provides built-in functions and operates to perform operations in the string. In the case of strings handling, the operator plus is used to concatenate two strings as the operation. Let's take an example. Hello plus is the operator plus Python. To concatenate these two, we are using the plus operator, and it returns the hello Python. Next, the operator star is known as a repetition operator, as the operation Python stars 2, then it returns the Python 2 times. Python. Let's have a quick look on the below example. Now take an str equal to string using double quotes. Okay, next now print str. Next take s equal to a multi-line string in single quotes. Then print s. Then output will be string using double quotes and a multi-line string. Both are printed. We can use in double quotes or in single quotes. Now we'll discuss about the second type of sequence, that is list data type. In Python, lists are similar to the arrays in C. However, the list contain data of different types. The items stored in the list are separated with a comma and enclosed within the square brackets. We use slice as the colon operators to access the data of the list. The concatenation operator plus and repetition operator star works with the list in the same way as they are working within the strings. Now let us consider the following example. Take a list. We can use any data type like int, float, strings. 1 is the int and high is the string. Python is the string. 2 is the int. To check the type of the data, we are printing the type of list1, and to print the list, we are writing print of list1. Using slicing indexing, we can print the whatever elements we want, we can print, like print list1 brackets 3 colon and print list1 0 to 2. Now print list1 plus list1, then list concatenation using plus operator. Now print list1 star 3, then it will print 3 times the list1. List repetition using star operator. Let's see the output. First one, we are printing the list, full list 1, high and Python 2. Second one, list 1 using the third indexing, it prints 2, and 0 to 2 is an indexing 1 comma high. Concatenation using plus operator, we have 2 times the list, and using repetition operator, it prints the 3 times of the list. Now let us discuss about the tuple. A tuple is similar to the list in many ways. Like list, tuple also contain the collection of items of different data types. The items of the tuple are separated with a comma and enclosed in the parenthesis. A tuple is a read-only data structure. We can't modify the size and the value of the items of a tuple. Now let us see an example of the tuple. Take a tuple tup equal to hi python 2. Let us check the type of the data type using type of tup. To print the tuple, print tup. Next, using slicing operator, we can print from which one to last one, like top of one column. Then it will print from 1 to the last. Now print top of 0 to 1. Then it prints only 0th element. Now print tup plus tup, like tuple concatenation using plus operator. Print tup star 3. Tuple repetition using star operator. T of 2 equal to high. Adding value to tup, it will throw an error. Let us see an output. It is in tuple data type and it prints the tuple, and second one from concatenation 1 to last, it printed python and 2. From tuple 0 to 1 indexing, it prints only the first one high, and next one tuple plus tuple, it prints the 2 times the entire the tuple. And tuple star 3, using the repetition operator, it prints the tuple 3 times. And last one, we are adding a value to tuple, then it throws an error.